InfiniTime has an advanced job costing platform built in. You can have up to 3 labor levels in InfiniTime. The first of those labor levels is departments. Departments can be accessed by the button on the toolbar. Now in InfiniTime, you can have as many departments as you need, and adding a new department is as easy as coming to the Insert button and opening up a department page. Then you can give your department a name and fill in any cost numbers or department numbers that associate with this department. Now there are also advanced options that we can highlight for this department. That includes addresses for geo settings, a default schedule for anybody working in this department, premium pay, hours mapping, bonuses, and we can even assign jobs that are available when this department is selected. Now once we have set all of our settings, we can come right up here to the check mark, and it's going to save that department right into your list for you. Now we can also go in and add in jobs and tasks, and that's just as easy as adding in a department. We'll come up to the plus button, fill out the job information that we need, including cost numbers and job numbers, and then that'll be added to your list. Now once we do have our labor levels set up, we can actually assign defaults to the employees in their profiles. So if we open an employee profile and we go to their settings tab, we're going to be able to assign them a default department, job, or even task. That way, anytime that the employee clocks in, if they don't choose anything, that's what they'll automatically be clocked in as on their time card. Now within the employee profile, we can also do things like assign wage overrides to the department's jobs or tasks. So let's say that the employee makes a higher wage when they're a forklift operator. We can go in and we can assign the wage to that department. That way, anytime that the employee clocks in with that department, InfiniTime will automatically override the wage, and you don't have to remember to go back in and do that later. Now, using those departments alongside our mobile app, we can actually do more with that. We can actually have the system punch the employee in and out of departments as they move around throughout the day, without the employee having to go back in and do that themselves. So for instance, if the employee comes in and clocks in at Department A, then they go to leave that geofenced area, it'll automatically punch them into another department, like let's say traveling. Then once they cross the geofence for location B, it'll automatically punch them into that department, and they don't have to worry about doing any of that themselves. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at the number you see on your screen.